Give me the card.
No. This is what I have going on right. I'm kind of jealous right now. I feel like so. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the Blackwood family, guys. It's 10 minutes to 5. I have PTA at 5 and I'm cooking. I have to get this dinner done before heading out. Oh my god, I need to take this hair down. I might do it tonight when I get back from PTA, but right now I'm cooking. I'm making a quick meal, bean and saltfish with some dumplings, and I'm gonna take a shower and head out. Y'all, thank you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the Blackwood family. Guys, please leave a comment on the videos, leave a like, please. Let me check on this pot real quick. Look here. Oh, alright. Oh, guys, since the hurricane Melissa, flies have been trying to take us out. Flies have been trying to take us out since Hurricane Melissa. Don't pay that any mind. In the process of changing it. Really? I'm here. I made it. But like about 5:30. They're about. Yep.
Give me this card. Give me the card. Give me the card.
No.
Give me the card.
No.
Give me the card. Give me.
No, don't press it. Don't press it.
Give me the card.
No.
Give me the card.
Boy, why you can't? Okay, I'm gonna leave you.
What you doing?
Let me ask her what you
What
doing. Oh man, look at the toys. We're not going down this, so we ready. Come. What's up, you lovely people? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back, y'all. It's in the afternoon. I'm making dinner. Quick dinner. Let me show you guys what's going on. Y'all, this looks so good. Cheese. This looks so fine. Good, y'all. So this is what I have going on right now. Turning them over. They are done. I'm just gonna. The oven is off. I'm just gonna rest them back in there until I'm finished doing all that I'm doing before serving dinner, right? So they're all done. See, they're technically falling apart. Yeah. That's so good. Yeah. And I'm making some festival to go with that. That will be our dinner for today. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. My, them fly. And the funny thing, we got a fly bait, put it up, the fly them fly past it, so I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, that is a good right there. Sit back, off the top of the hill. Huh? Good left foot, dead, Tommy, dead. You know, yeah, it's a rough dog. His skeleton is too big. His skeleton's too big. That's the fact. You're right. Oh, good uppercut. Good uppercut again. Bam, good. Bam. See now, bam. Boy, you ain't got to snap it. Just let it flow. Let it flow. Boom, boom. You ain't got to snap it. You ain't got to. You think you do, but yeah. Since you want so much to so let me get it. Baby? Yes. I cut the booty off my shoulder. You know what I'm saying? No, I cut off the booty. That's like that was 3-2 with the back.
Don't want no chicken, baby. Y'all, it's night time. I just got done taking out my hair, just wash and condition, and I'm going to deep condition with this just for a few minutes. Just for a few minutes because I haven't been taking care of my hair. So let's pull in stuff in it, you know.
Yes, I had to give you it's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It's gonna go out again me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that much shit I'm getting. Now let me blow your mind. Yeah, I had to give you it's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I'm gonna take don't fight that much shit I'm getting. Now let me blow your mind.
Drop your glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blind, yeah, bitch, I'm drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop asking. Listen to me, baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all niggas hot psych, I'm gassing. Clowns, I spot them and I can't stop laughing.
Comb this through. Whew. Burning my eyes. Yeah, and I'm gonna massage this into my scalp as well. This one thing I like about this. Yes, my love. Yeah, you can come in.
What?
You can come in. Open the door. It's not locked.
Then come.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, you're washing your hair. Oops.
I'm coming. child. Yeah. I don't know however long it's been. 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm gonna wash this out because it's not night. So yeah. Those what? To eat ice cream. So I'm doing teas here, just the front. The back was already done. It's been done for about 2 weeks. I took out the front and I'm gonna redo it. Well, I already started. What you want in that? Okay. So I'm gonna show you.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good bang. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you.
Like and subscribe.
Exactly.
And share.
You better.
And don't forget to comment.
Yay.
Our goal is 1,000.
I'm kind of jealous right now. Girl, ice cream is all over your mouth. Y'all, I just remember, you know, when you were a kid and Sunday evening you listen out to hear the ice cream man coming, whether it's the man who ride the bike or the ice cream truck, bus, whatever. As you hear it, you run gone to your parents for money, run gone buy ice cream. Like, yeah, it's true. T over there saying it's so true, like, and she never had that experience, but like, I just remembered that. Look. What? No. I could have got somewhere else to Pringles. No, she probably wanted the red one. Or, see there?
I see 3 of my classmates there.
Y'all, it's scorching in the sun. Look at my child.
Jaden.
That's how them go downstairs.
Mommy.